Tato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. We have been learning words for the Vyanjana letters. Today we will be learning Samyuktaksharani. That is writing two or three letters, two or more letters together. Kha. Generally, we have already learned we can write two letters together by writing the half of any letter. This is ka. Half of that is ik. And then if you write another letter, kya. So half of this letter, kya. Writing two letters together. Ga. Without the line, this is ga. If you just write like this, it is ig. This is ga. This is ig. Next cha. Half will be ich. For this, it will be ich only. Or sometimes with the letter, another letter is joined and written. Then this becomes ich. Chia. This is actually cha. And then ya will be chaya. If you wanted to write as chia, then ich ya. This is chia. It can also be written cha, and then touching this letter, if this ya is written, then it becomes chia. These are all some ways of writing. So ich, ich. Ja. This is ja. Half will be ij. Ik. Ta. Bhaktaha. We know bhaktaha is a devotee. Bha. Ik. Ta. Ha. Bhaktaha. This iktaha is also written like this. Kta. Generally in books, it is like this. But for now, you need not write like this. Write only like this. But know that this letter is kta. This is ka. A line like this will make it kra. Kra. This is cha. A line here will make it shra. Ga. The line here. Then gra. Pa. Pra. Gha. Gra. So for ta, it will be like this, tra. Okay, two small lines like this, tra. For da also, dra. So generally, a line drawn, a small diagonal line drawn with the letter will give the pronunciation ra. Kra, chra, gra, pra, gra. When we proceed further, you will get to see many words where such letters are used. But For now, know that drawing a line like this gives the pronunciation of ra. Ta. Tra will be written like this. Tra. See, this tra is also written as tra. This is also tra. A line and then just like this. This is also tra. This is also tra. Both are correct. Same. Bra, mra, bra. Like this. So, you should know this. Kra, tra, pra. Now next, some ksha. Ksha. Ik plus sha. Ik plus sha. Ksha. Instead of writing it ik and then sha, this is samyuktakshara. See how I'm writing a straight line and then sha.
Thank you.
Ksha. Vrikshaha. Vrikshaha is a tree. Vrikshaha. Ksha. Kakshya means class. Ksha. Kshetram. Kshetram means we say Punya Kshetram. That this letter is used. Ksha. Kshetram.
Ma'am, Lakshya Kindasa Ponnuma, ma'am.
Lakshya. Yes, yes. Lakshyam. Half of this. Iksh. Lakshya. So half. Lakshyam.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
This is ga. If you write na with this, then it is gna. Gna. Ga and then na. Gna.
Ma'am, can you 1 second spell it, ma'am?
Gna. G-N-A. Gna. Igna. Ga is pronounced as ig. See, how will you pronounce this? Gna. This is only this. Ig plus na. Gna. Magnaha. Magnaha. To be totally immersed in something. Magnaha. Gna. Next is ng plus ga. We learnt Ganga. Ganga. So, when one letter is written on top and another letter below that letter, then the top letter is pronounced half. Ganga. Nga. Ng plus ga. Nga. First write ing and then below that ga. Nga. Ganga.
Ma'am, this word is pronounced like Ganga, ma'am.
No. I'm telling an example, Ganga. This is Nga.
Okay, ma'am.
Nga.
Ma'am, can you please write the word Ganga, ma'am?
Ga, ing, ga, and then one more line. Ganga.
One more line.
Ah, yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Ah.
you.
Next, nya, nya, ij, ij plus nya. Together is this nya. A straight line, then like this. Nya, jnanam, jnanam. It is a very common word, jnanam. This nya, jnanam. It is actually ij plus nya, jnanam. Next is
மேம் ஞானம் இன்னொரு வாட்டி எழுதி காமிங்க.
nya, a straight line, then like this nya. Nya. Okay, next, dya, dya, id, we know this, id, plus ya, dya, that is written as like this, dya. See, we already have gha, this is ga, and this is dya. So when writing, be very careful. You also have dha. If you are going to curve it inside a little bit and the line is only for this vertical line, it is the. Without this small circle, it is ga. And along with this ga, a small line, then it becomes dya. 3 letters similar. Chinnada suruchi எழுதிட்டா த வாயிடும், சுழிக்காம எழுதினா க. அந்த கக்கு மேல ஒரு சின்ன கோடு போட்டு எழுதிட்டா தியா. இது பிளஸ் ய, தியா. வித்யா அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம், எஜுகேஷன், வித்யா, அதுல இது வரும். வி தியா, vidya. This is dya, this is dya, vidya. Then dva, this is the. Below that you write va. We have already seen when one letter is written below another letter, then this becomes half, id. Then va, dva, id, va, dva. To see it is yes.
It looks similar to do, right, ma'am?
But it is not do. Do will not be like this. Do will be like this. Okay.
Okay.
You should, sometimes in the print books, according to various fonts, it will be different. You should get used to it, how it looks in print. Okay.
Okay.
Actually, this is only written like that. It is dva.
Dwa. Okay.
This da is written like this, a bit cross, and then this va is here in the print. Dva. For this example, we dwa in vidwan. Vidwan, a scholar. Next important thing. Writing like this. This gives the pronunciation ir.
Ma'am, no audio. Ma'am, no audio.
You are not able to hear me?
Yes, we are
Ma'am,
able
we
to hear.
can.
Ma'am, we can hear you.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. We can
Ah.
hear, ma'am.
Okay.
We can hear.
Okay. So you please check your audio. Okay. Here I think it's fine. So this is ir. Writing like this on top of any letter gives the pronunciation
Ma'am, no
ir.
audio.
Only you are not able to hear. உனக்கு தான் கேட்கல, நீ செக் பண்ணு, மத்த எல்லாருக்கும் கேட்கறதான். Ir.
Ma'am, no audio, ma'am.
So how you should pronounce this ir is ka ir ya im. First that ir must be pronounced. Then after that you should pronounce the letter below.
Ma'am, turn the example, ma'am.
What?
Ma'am, in that page, turn was written, no, ma'am. That is the example.
What is written?
Pra.
Ir plus ta, irta. Now don't look at the examples here. Leave that for now. First learn the letters, okay? Irta, example, karyam, ka, ir, ya, im. First that ir must be pronounced, then the letter below is pronounced. Example, sarpaha. Sarpaha is a snake. Sa, irpa. Sarpaha. Karyam. Suryaha.
Krishna.
No, that is different. Wait, I'll come to that. Suryaha, su, ir, ya, surya. Krishna is kr. How do you write Krishna? Kr. Suryaha is su. After su, it is ir. Both are different. Kr, how you will write kr? This is kr. For Krishna, you get this kr. This is Suryaha. Okay?
Varnaha.
Varnaha. Varnaha.
Karnaha, ma'am.
Karnaha. Yes, here we learnt parts of the body. Karnaha. Okay? So this gives the pronunciation of ir. Kartari. Scissors is called kartari. Ka, ir, ta, ri. Kartari.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of the word kartavi?
Scissors. Kartari is
Thank you, ma'am.
scissors.
Thank you, ma'am.
Kartari. Karnaha, ear. Sarpaha, snake. Suryaha, sun. Then next Shra. Ish. Ish plus Ra.
Ma'am, for Ra, Garva.
Ish plus Ra. Shra. First write a line like this. Then Shra. Notice how I am writing. Shra.
Like in Sri Ramajayam.
Yes, Sri Rama Jayam. Sri.
Ma'am, Shraddha.
Shraddha. Yes, Shraddha. This word is not needed now. Next is Shwa. Ish plus Va. See, this is Ish plus Va. You can also write it just like this. When you take out that line, then it is half of Sha is Ish. Shwa. This is also correct. Or Shwa. Books will have like this. Shwa. This is Shwa.
Vishwaha.
Vishwa. Yes. Vishwam. Vishwam. In Sahasranama we have Vishwam, Vishnur, Vashatkaraha. So that first Vishwam, this is the letter.
For the word Ashwin also we use this, right?
Ashwaha, Ashwaha, Ashwini. Yes, this.
Yes. Thank you.
Hwa. How to write letters with Ha? Half, then Va, and then from here this. This is Hwa. Yih plus Va. Hwa.
Jihwa.
Jihwa. Very good. Jihwa. Ha with Va. Hwa. Then with Ha you write Ya. Here. Ha again till this half. Then you write Ya here. Here. Yih plus Ya. Here.
we can also write like
All these you should know, because generally they are written only like this. You will not find it like this, ich and ya.
Ma'am, kavya.
What?
Kavya.
Bahya.
Kavya.
Ma'am, Bhagyan.
Then this ha with ma, ha and ma together, actually the last letters of all series. You have ka ka ga ga nga, cha cha ja ja nya, ta ta da dha na, ta ta da da na, pa pa ba bha ma. When these last letters, when they are written with this ha, like ma, then there are two ways. Some pronounce it as im first and then ha, only for these last letters of any series. They alone, then this is pronounced as imha, brahma. So im is pronounced first, brahma. Janhavi. Janhavi is the name of river Ganges. Ganges is also called as Janhavi. How will you write? Ha and below that this in. So here we saw hwa, jihwa. First ich was pronounced and then va. But only for these last letters. Generally this na, ma and na, these are very common. You pronounce in first, Janhavi, Brahma, Sarvam Kalvidam Brahma, we say. So im is pronounced first, Brahma, Janhavi. Like that, this in also, Grinhati, generally. And actually there are two opinions. Some pronounce like this and some pronounce like that. We will be pronouncing like this. First im and then ha. Brahma, Janhavi, Grinhati. Okay, so we saw some Samyukta Aksharani. In that, completely different letters means Ksha, we saw Shra, Nya, Ksha, Shra, Nya, Tra. This is Tra. See, there were some doubts regarding this im and then putting a dot on top. See, whenever any word is written separately, You are asked to give examples for 5 pullinga shabdas or write any 5 words you know. The question is that you are writing just 5 words or it is a dictation or something. Then Kamalam should be written only like this. If you are going to write Kamalam like this, then this is wrong. You should not write like this. So, when words are written separately, individual words, and the word ends with this im, then definitely you get ma with the small line below. This is wrong. First, you should know this. When you are getting it in a sentence, it is not a separate word. It is in the middle of a sentence. Then Kamalam Vikasati. Now don't bother about what it means or anything, but I'm just telling you as an example. Kamalam Vikasati means lotus blooms. Tamarai malargirathu. Kamalam Vikasati. Here it is V and it is a Vyanjana. A, I, E, U, U, up to Aha or Swaras. This is Vyanjana, Swara Samyukta Vyanjana. But when you split it, you will get Iv first, V. So Iv plus E is V. So here you have this Vyanjana letter. Then you will get this dot. If you are going to have a Swara, Kamalam Ichami. We haven't yet gone into sentences, but many had asked this doubt. So I wanted to just explain this. If you are finding it a bit difficult, leave it. When we go into sentences, you will understand very well. But for now, you are learning words, you should use only this im in the last. Kamalam Ichami. Ichami means I like. I like lotus. Here, what is the first letter? E. So it is a swara letter. I, E. So here you must use this im. When in a sentence, depending on which letter follows that im, you should use either this dot or this im. Okay. This is for letter im in the end of a word.
Ma'am, one doubt, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Rishihi Pitrunam solli tharumbodhu neenga Pitrunam appuram solli tharenu sonnilla ma'am.
Yes, yes. Oh, okay, good. Pitrunam. This is P. Tru. Yes, I didn't teach. This is, we know this is tru. Tru is Pitru. Nam. Okay. Pitrunam. Tru. Actually, we have learnt it normally itself in the kaka, kiki, tata, titi, tutu. You get tru, tru. So, Pitrunam. Pitrunam. Pitrunam means the depth you have towards your ancestors. Pitrukadan. The solron இல்லையா அதான் Pitrunam.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, we'll stop with that for
Okay,
today.
ma'am.
Ramo Rajamanihi Sada Vijayate Ramam Ramesham Bhaje Ramena Bihata Nishachara Chamuhu Ramaya Tasmai Namaha Ramatnasti Parayanam Parataram Ramas दासोऽस्म्यहं रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर। हरि ओम, धन्यवादः।